After leaving Grand Cayman the night before, we wake up somewhere new. Welcome to Cozumel. This island lies just off the eastern coast of the Yucatan Peninsula in the heart of the Caribbean. One of the most famous attractions in this region is the legendary Chichen Itza. But visiting it from here is a long and expensive journey, around 4 hours each way, and excursions can cost even more than the cruise itself. So for us, the choice was simple. Today, we stay in Cozumel. Just like in Grand Cayman, there are plenty of beach options right near the port.
45 sticker number, folks. 45 lollipop number. Lollipop 45, please.
Qui noleggiano i Diumbaghi.
Yellow 45, orange ferry, por favor. Orange ferry, por favor.
Andiamo.
We decide to head about 10 minutes south, looking for something easy, relaxing, and close to the sea. Our destination is the Money Bar Beach Club. Here, we can enjoy clear waters perfect for snorkeling, a comfortable shaded area, and everything we need to unwind: food, drinks, and a true Caribbean atmosphere. For $60, the package includes round-trip transport, an umbrella, 2 lounge chairs, and snorkeling gear. A simple plan for what promises to be a perfect day.
Imagine. Can you imagine?
So in summer you have 50 degrees.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my gosh.
Between 40 and 45 degrees.
Questo è il tequila Cosadores reposado. Si è così reposato che dopo è andato a fare il bagno.
Snorkeling here is certainly easy, thanks to the dock and convenient ladder to get into the water. The variety of fish isn't particularly diverse, but the water is truly embarrassingly clear. But unfortunately, our time in Cozumel is coming to an end. Back at the port, we take one last stroll through the shops, picking up a few souvenirs to bring home and remember this day. independence of the seas is already there, waiting patiently to carry us across the final stretch of the Caribbean Sea, back to Miami, where this unforgettable journey will, sadly, come to an end.